Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve F.Sc Mathematics chapter number 3 integration exercise 3.2 question number 1 ninth part. Here the function have variable theta. So f of theta is equal to integral under root theta minus 1 whole square whole divided by under root theta into d theta. This is our function. So here is again square of two different terms. So first of all we will solve this square. First term square plus second term square, which is 1, minus 2 first term into second term whole divided by under root theta into d theta is equal to, here square cancelled with square root, plus 1 minus 2 under root theta over under root theta and d theta. And again we know that there are three different terms in the numerator divided by the single term in the divided by a single term in the denominator, and we can divide all of these three terms with this single term, theta over under root theta plus 1 over under root theta minus 2 under root theta over under root theta. No need to explain, theta cancelled by theta. Here theta is power 1 and here theta has power minus 1 by 2. Again here theta has power 1 by 2, and when we take it up it will become theta power 1, and this one theta power minus 1 by 2, plus leave it as it is, minus 2 into d theta. The function will become, after solving these exponents, theta will become 1 by 2 plus 1 over under root theta minus 2 into d theta. Integrating separately all of these terms, d theta plus theta power minus 1 by 2 d theta minus 2 integral 1 d theta, by taking this 2 as a constant out from the integration. It will become 1 by 2 plus 1 over 1 by 2 plus 1, theta power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 over minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2, and the integration of 1 is not x, is theta, because the variable is theta. Will become 1 by 2 plus 1 become 3 by 2, and also here 3 by 2, 3 by 2, theta power 1 by 2 is also 1 by 2 minus 2 theta plus c is constant of integration. Double reciprocal, again 2 by 3, theta power 3 by 2, this again 2 theta power 1 by 2 minus 2 theta plus c. This is our answer, or this is our solution of this given function. Hope so you can understand it very well. Also we can solve this function in another way. 2 by 3 power 3 by 2 plus theta 2 theta 1 by 2 minus 2 theta plus c. We can say 2 by 3 theta into theta power 1 by 2. This 3 by 2 we resolve it. We can say 3 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is 1 and this is 1 by 2 plus 2 into theta power 1 by 2 minus 2 theta plus c. So we can say 2 over 3 theta under root theta plus 2 under root theta minus 2 theta plus c is also a way of solution. Hope so you can understand it well. We will see in the next video. Bye.